guys, today we got my new iPad and it's a Galaxy Tab A8 and today I'm going to be unboxing it and it's really new. This is my my cover for the phone and this is the iPad and we're about to unbox that. Charger. So now I'm going to open it. Wow, but this is like these. And it charged. Did it charge the cable? This is just like these. This is my case. There's a pen.
Coming with the pen.
What's this for?
For touch screen.
A touch screen. Did we have this?
No.
What? How did she not get this?
And then this is the screen protector.
Oh, this isn't these. This is a screen protector. It puts on your screen right here.
And
So it doesn't break. So if like my old iPad, when I put it on, it didn't break.
so this is it.
I didn't actually know it came with this. We're done. Now my mum's going to connect to the internet and then I'll install it. So my mum is cleaning the iPad and then she's going to put the screen protector. So she's going to put the screen protector on right now. Just needs to take that. Oh, that's so satisfying. It's another label of it. Wow. Now I need to take that thing off. What is that? What just happened?
See?
Isn't that a screen protector?
Now I need to put in here. Okay.
Is it just like these?
So
Now my mum put the screen protector on already, and she just cleaned the case now, and now she's putting it inside the case. And expect the iPad coming like this, but it's actually really good.
Wait.
I didn't actually know it came with this.
Then you can use like this.
With the pen.
Okay.
Yeah. So I don't need to use my fingers. I can just use my touch screen. So I'm going to take a picture right now. So I'm going to take a picture right. Where's where do I go? Up here. Can't use this thing. So guys, now this is the finishing touch and it's just me on the wallpaper, my home screen. Bye.